Many people are turning to homemade deodorant as they seek natural alternatives to commercial products. By making deodorant at home, individuals can avoid synthetic chemicals and fragrances often found in store-bought options. Natural ingredients are gentler on the skin and can be customized to suit personal preferences and sensitivities. Additionally, creating your own deodorant can be more cost-effective and environmentally friendly, reducing packaging waste. This shift reflects a growing interest in healthier, more sustainable self-care routines. Natural deodorants often rely on a blend of simple, recognizable ingredients. Baking soda is commonly used for its ability to neutralize odors, while coconut oil provides moisture and has natural antibacterial properties. Arrowroot powder helps absorb excess moisture, keeping the underarms dry throughout the day. Essential oils, such as lavender or tea tree, are frequently added for their pleasant scents and additional antibacterial benefits. Together, these ingredients create an effective alternative to conventional deodorants without the use of synthetic chemicals. To create a simple baking soda and coconut oil deodorant, start by combining equal parts of baking soda and coconut oil in a small bowl. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, creamy texture. For a personalized touch, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as lavender or tea tree, to enhance the scent and provide additional benefits. Once blended, transfer the mixture to a clean container with a lid. Apply a small amount under your arms as needed, and adjust the ratio of ingredients if you prefer a firmer or softer consistency. This recipe features arrowroot powder and shea butter, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Arrowroot powder helps to absorb moisture gently, while shea butter provides soothing hydration without irritation. To prepare, melt shea butter over low heat, then stir in arrowroot powder until fully combined. Allow the mixture to cool before transferring it to a clean container. The result is a smooth, natural deodorant that offers effective odor control while being kind to delicate skin. Clay-based deodorants offer enhanced odor protection by harnessing the natural, absorbent properties of clay. When choosing a clay, bentonite and kaolin are popular options as they effectively draw out impurities and help control moisture. To create your formula, start by blending your chosen clay with baking soda and arrowroot powder. Then add coconut oil and essential oils for fragrance and additional antibacterial benefits. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. This combination provides a gentle yet powerful solution for staying fresh throughout the day. To create a refreshing deodorant spray, start by combining witch hazel with your choice of essential oils, such as lavender or tea tree, in a clean spray bottle. Witch hazel acts as a gentle astringent, helping to neutralize odor and soothe the skin. Add a small amount of distilled water to dilute the mixture, ensuring it's gentle enough for daily use. Shake the bottle well before each application and spray lightly onto clean underarms. This quick-drying formula leaves you feeling fresh without any sticky residue. Beeswax Stick Deodorant offers a convenient solid format that's easy to carry and apply. The process begins by gently melting beeswax, allowing it to blend smoothly with other ingredients such as oils and powders. Once fully mixed, the liquid is carefully poured into molds or empty deodorant tubes. As it cools and solidifies, the deodorant forms a firm, portable stick. This method ensures a mess-free application and a product that can be used on the go. Customizing scents allows you to create a fragrance that truly reflects your personality and style. Start by experimenting with different essential oil combinations, adjusting the ratios to achieve your preferred intensity and aroma. When formulating for various skin types, consider using lighter carrier oils like jojoba for oily skin, or richer options such as sweet almond oil for dry skin. Always perform a patch test to ensure compatibility and minimize the risk of irritation. By tailoring both the scent and the base, you can craft a personalized product that suits your unique needs and preferences. Proper storage is essential to maintain the quality and effectiveness of homemade deodorant. It should be kept in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, as heat can cause ingredients like coconut oil to melt and separate. Typically, homemade deodorant lasts between 3 to 6 months, but it's important to check for any changes in texture, smell, or color that may indicate spoilage. To avoid common pitfalls, always use clean utensils and containers to prevent contamination, and consider adding a small amount of vitamin E oil as a natural preservative. Regularly inspect your deodorant and discard it if you notice any signs of mold or an unpleasant odor. Before introducing a new skincare product into your routine, it's important to be aware of possible skin reactions. Some individuals may experience redness, itching, or irritation when using unfamiliar ingredients. To minimize the risk, performing a patch test is recommended. Apply a small amount of the product to a discrete area, such as the inside of your forearm, and wait 24 to 48 hours to observe any adverse reactions. If no irritation occurs, the product is generally safe to use as directed. When comparing homemade deodorants to store-bought options, several factors come into play. Effectiveness can vary widely. While some homemade recipes use natural ingredients like baking soda and coconut oil to neutralize odor, commercial products often contain specialized compounds designed for longer-lasting protection. In terms of safety, homemade deodorants typically avoid synthetic fragrances and preservatives, which may appeal to those with sensitive skin or allergies. However, store-bought deodorants are rigorously tested for safety and stability. Cost is another consideration, as homemade versions are generally less expensive to produce, relying on common household ingredients, whereas store-bought products may come with a higher price tag due to branding and packaging. Many people have questions when it comes to making their own deodorant at home. Common concerns include how to address issues like irritation, effectiveness, and the texture of the final product. If you experience sensitivity, try substituting baking soda with arrowroot powder or reducing its amount. For those seeking alternatives to coconut oil, shea butter or cocoa butter can be used to achieve a similar consistency. Experimenting with different ingredients allows you to customize your deodorant to suit your personal preferences and skin type. Exploring new recipes can be a rewarding journey, allowing you to discover flavors and techniques that suit your unique preferences. Don't hesitate to try different ingredients or adjust cooking methods to better align with your lifestyle. Each experiment brings you closer to meals that are both satisfying and convenient. Remember, the best recipes are the ones that work for you and your daily routine. Making your own deodorant offers several benefits, including control over the ingredients and the ability to tailor scents and textures to your personal preferences. By choosing natural components, you can avoid harsh chemicals often found in commercial products. The process itself can be both simple and rewarding, fostering a sense of accomplishment and mindfulness. Remember to enjoy each step as part of your natural self-care routine, embracing the opportunity to nurture your well-being in a thoughtful and creative way.